In this video, we're going to be looking at how to finish off a piece so you can hardly see what it looks like. So hopefully it will look like you started off. So when you've got a finished piece and you've probably got 5 or 6 stitches left at the end, you cut the end of the yarn, thread it onto a tapestry needle and then look for each stitch in the circle. Go for the front loop in each stitch and just weave the tapestry needle through each one. So the yarn goes through the front loop of each stitch. That's 2, 3, 4, this one will be 5, and then the final one will just be here. Okay, now gently pull that tight. Now as you can see, we've still got it so it sticks up a bit here. I don't know if you can see that there. See, it still sticks up. So what we need to do is you take the needle and go down the middle of what had just been the hole and bring the needle out at the side somewhere, but make sure it goes in between 2 other stitches on the piece so it doesn't pull the wool out. So just pull that through there. And you can see, if you pull that tight, then the nub goes in and you have a smooth surface. And all you need to do is weave in the ends and then cut it off to secure it. And that is a finished off piece.